Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use a pancake mix bottle for an easy guide to delicious pancakes. First, gather your essential tools: the pancake mix bottle, some water, and a good non-stick pan. Always check that your mix is fresh and the bottle is clean. Give the bottle a really good shake for about 30 seconds to ensure all the dry ingredients are perfectly blended. This simple step guarantees a smooth, consistent batter for your breakfast. Now, let's get to mixing. Carefully open the bottle cap and add the specified amount of water. Most mixes suggest adding around 1 cup of water for a perfect consistency, but always double-check your bottle's instructions. Once the water is in, securely close the cap. Then, shake the bottle vigorously for a full 60 seconds. This ensures your batter is lump-free and ready for cooking. It's time to cook. Place your non-stick pan on the stove and heat it over medium-low heat. A little butter or cooking spray will prevent sticking and add flavor. Pour approximately 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake, creating perfectly sized circles. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on the first side until you see bubbles forming, then flip and cook for another 2 minutes until golden brown. Your delicious, fluffy pancakes are ready. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings like syrup, fruit, or whipped cream. If you have any leftover batter, simply recap the bottle and store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. It's perfect for a quick breakfast later. For cleanup, rinse the bottle thoroughly with warm, soapy water. This easy process makes pancake making a breeze from start to finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.